What if the universe was not made of matter, but of secret codes?
And what if the greatest battle in physics was about a single question? Is information ever lost in a black hole?
Today, we meet John Preskill, the man who stood against Stephen Hawking and opened the door to the second quantum revolution. Stephen Hawking once declared, "Information disappears in black holes."
If true, quantum mechanics itself could collapse.
But Preskill refused. He said,
No, nature never forgets.
And he dared to bet against Hawking himself. This was the black hole bet.
Years later, new theories proved Preskill right.
Information does not vanish. It hides, scrambled, but never destroyed.
This victory was more than just a bet.
Hawking's claim meant quantum mechanics itself could collapse.
Because if information can truly vanish, then one of the core principles of physics, information conservation, would be broken.
Imagine burning a diary. The words are gone, but the smoke, ashes, and heat still carry the story.
That's what Preskill defended. Nature never forgets.
His stance kept the very foundations of quantum theory intact.
From that moment, physicists began to see information itself as the building block of reality.
No longer just particles and energy. Physics became the science of information.
This was the birth of quantum information science.
Preskill didn't just defeat Hawking. He opened the door to a new era, where information became the hero of physics. Preskill also gave today's quantum computers their name, the NISQ era.
Noisy, intermediate scale quantum.
Imagine a genius baby, brilliant but noisy and messy.
That's where we are now.
But NISQ was more than just a clever name.
It was a map showing us where we are and where to go.
These noisy machines can't yet break encryption, but they can simulate materials, chemical reactions, even black holes.
They became the training ground for the future.
A place to test ideas, develop error correction, and build the foundation for fault-tolerant quantum computers.
In other words, NISQ is not the end.
It is the beginning of modern quantum information science.
He stood against the greatest physicist of his time and won.
And in doing so, he opened the door to the second quantum revolution.
John Preskill showed us the true hero of physics isn't an equation or a particle. It's an idea.
And for us, that idea is still changing the world.
Next time, we'll step through the door to meet Chris Monroe, the wizard who traps atoms with lasers.
Subscribe and join us for the journey of the quantum heroes.